Understanding the compose action. What is the compose action? The compose action in Power Automate is a powerful, flexible tool that allows you to manipulate, format, and store data within a flow, without interacting with external services such as emails, files, or databases. Instead, it's used to perform calculations, concatenate text, format dates, extract data from JSON, or simply store information temporarily to be used later in the flow. Here are the main features of the compose action. Temporary data storage. The compose action is often used to store data retrieved or calculated within the flow for later use. This data could be a string, a number, a date, or more complex data like arrays or JSON objects. For example, you can extract a specific piece of data from a larger set, like a name from an API response, and store it in the compose action for future steps. Data manipulation and transformation. Compose allows you to manipulate or transform data without altering the original source. You can perform tasks such as formatting dates, combining strings, or performing arithmetic operations. Example: you can take a date in UTC format and convert it to a more readable format, or take two text strings and combine them into a single message. Expressions for calculations. One of the most powerful uses of the compose action is handling expressions in Power Automate. You can use functions to perform operations like adding numbers, extracting a substring from text, or comparing values. Example: you might use addDate10, 5 to calculate a sum, or concat, hello, world to join two strings together. Handling arrays, and JSON. Compose is also very useful when dealing with arrays or JSON objects. You can extract specific elements from an array or access fields from JSON objects and store them for later use. Example: if you receive a list of items from an API call, you can use compose to extract just the first item from the list. Text and string operations. You can use compose for tasks like trimming spaces, changing the case of text, uppercase or lowercase, or replacing specific words in a string. Example: you could format a message like concat order number, outputs order ID, to create a dynamic order number in a notification. Comparison with variables. While variables can also store data in Power Automate, the compose action is lighter and faster, making it ideal for temporary, one-time data storage and manipulation. Unlike variables, compose doesn't need to be initialized or modified, which makes it more efficient for simple use cases. Conclusion. Summary. The compose action is a versatile and essential tool in Power Automate, simplifying data handling, enabling efficient calculations, and enhancing flow management. Key takeaway: understanding and utilizing the compose action can significantly improve the effectiveness of automated workflows.